The fascinating intersection of human minds, deep neural networks, and Python libraries. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI-DNN architect. The topic delves into the intriguing overlap between the biological complexity of the human mind, the computational power of deep neural networks, DNNs, and the practical tools offered by Python libraries. Let's explore each aspect and their connections. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI-DNN architect. Human mind neurons. The human brain is composed of billions of neurons, interconnected in intricate webs. These neurons communicate through electrical and chemical signals, processing information, learning, and shaping our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Understanding how these networks function remains a significant scientific challenge, but it inspires the development of artificial intelligence models. Deep neural networks, DNNs. DNNs are computer systems loosely inspired by the structure and function of the brain. They consist of interconnected artificial neurons arranged in layers. DNNs can learn complex patterns from vast amounts of data, enabling them to perform tasks like image recognition, natural language processing, and even creative content generation. Python libraries. Python, a popular programming language, offers powerful libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras specifically designed for building and training DNNs. These libraries provide tools for defining network architectures, optimizing learning algorithms, and deploying trained models for real-world applications. The connections. By studying the human brain, researchers hope to develop more efficient and powerful DNN architectures. DNNs, despite their limitations, can offer insights into how the brain might process information and learn. Python libraries bridge the gap between theoretical models and practical applications, allowing researchers and developers to build and utilize DNNs for various purposes. Further exploration. This is a vast and rapidly evolving field. You might be interested in specific areas like neuromorphic computing, hardware designs mimicking the brain's architecture. Explainable AI, making DNNs more transparent and interpretable. Applications of DNNs in healthcare, robotics, and other domains. Thank you.